Hi there, everyone. Today's topic is something that I hold very close to my heart, and that is all about building financial confidence. One of the biggest myths about managing money is that you have to have everything perfect just to get started. But let me tell you a secret. Perfection is not the key. Action is the key. Financial confidence isn't about having all of the answers. It's about having the courage to get started and to make mistakes and to learn and to continue. Much like learning a bike, when you ride a bike, you might wobble a little bit, you may even fall down, but if you want to learn to ride a bike, you have to keep getting up and you have to get on, right? Nobody is born knowing how to manage money well. And you may have even hesitated to budget because you couldn't decide on the perfect method. Or you may have hesitated to invest because you weren't sure if you were going to pick the wrong investment. But the truth is, every step that you take, even the imperfect ones, teach you something valuable. And by taking those actions, even the smallest steps, allow you to start building momentum. And with action, you can learn, adapt, and grow stronger in your financial journey. So as part of our Watch Her Thrive Financial Empowerment Series for Domestic Violence Awareness Month, we want to emphasize the power of resilience and the importance of building financial confidence. Every decision, every step empowers you more and more. Remember, it's okay to be imperfect. It's okay to not have all the answers right now. And what is crucial is just to get started, to learn as you go and build that financial confidence one step at a time. If this message resonates with you and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. We will be sharing tips all month long on building financial literacy, building financial confidence. And if you know somebody who would benefit from this video, be sure to share it with them. Let's inspire more individuals to embrace imperfection, to take imperfect action, and to thrive in their financial journeys.